love is characterized in this value of life, that various differences are found dissolved in one field of love. There are differences and there is harmony. Harmony dominates the differences. Always. Completely different characteristics, and then they come together in the range of love, in the field of love. That's why we say love is harmonizing. It is uniting. Love unites. And power is certainly greater in union. In difference, all the segments have fallen apart. And therefore, in diversity, in this union, life is weak. In union, in love, life is strong, powerful. And the union is always on the principle of giving. One wants to give to the other, and to give to the other one wants to be near the other. This wants to give to this wants to give to this. Each in their enthusiasm to give, unite and give themselves completely to one another. Love is unifying. Love is unifying, uniting. It serves as a mother which just unifies. All the children are unified in love. All the differences are not dissolved. Only harmony comes to dominate. This is what love is. It never overshadows anything. When the two unite, each glow in their identity. The identity of each becomes more pronounced, but given to each other. The reaction of love is intense, intimate, strong. Power of union is great. It's that power of union that is taking every individual towards more and more and more and more. Everyone is proceeding on and on and on and on and on. And this march is so blind to everything else that it's only channeled in one direction, towards more and more and more and more and more and more and then more than the most infinite. Every individual is incessantly, always proceeding for more and more and more. This is that great power of love that is drawing the individual to the infinite value of life. This is the love of the Creator for the creation, that every creation is drawing towards it more and more and more and more. One single pointedness of march towards more and 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 more. One single pointedness. This is love. It just, there is a proverb, love is blind. This is that blindness of every individual to everything else and to every direction other than only one direction of evolution, more and 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 more. Man is blind in his love of God. He is so blind that even he doesn't know even God, but proceeding in that direction all the time, all the time, all the time. total blindness also is no barrier to the force of love. It takes the ignorant on and on towards more and more, every step of more and more and more evolution, and on to the infinite value of evolution. This is the power of love of the Almighty for His creation. Man may be completely ignorant for everything, but in spite of all his total ignorance, he will be proceeding for more and more and more and more. This is the power of love, and this is the power of love of the Almighty. Even if one does not want, one will have to grow and in the direction of more and more and more and more. Wanting or no wanting, no choice is given there. Is the love of God that takes everyone towards Him all the time, all the time, all the time. Doesn't matter what one wants, fine, anything you want, but you are proceeding in that direction. Knowing, you don't have to know it, but you go on and on and on. A time will come that you will know it, you have been doing well. This is the love of God Almighty, and when the Almighty starts to love, He loves irrespective of everything. Doesn't matter what, because He is blind in His love. Just like the blindness of a mother to his dozen children. He is blind to what the child is, whether he has one eye or two eyes or what. Whether he speaks or he is dumb or deaf or what. She just pours out her love more and more and more and more. Irrespective of the quality, the love is binding on him. Doesn't matter what. This force of evolution is the love of the Creator for every little bit of His creation. This is that great, enormous, ideal love which only binds. Love binds. Love binds to liberate till it has liberated to infinite value. The channel of evolution is a closed channel. There are boundaries. But in this channel, you can move with any great force. Highways, but they are not very broad. Good enough to speed up. Good enough for forward march, but they don't have span on the sides. Or else the very purpose of the highway will not be served. Highway, so that you get along on the way quick, not sidetrack. Love is a highway to evolution, and just as a highway is marked from both sides, it's a closed circuit. You can play, but play in this region. Don't go this way. So love has its own boundaries, and the channel of love opens itself to the unbounded, but within boundaries. One goes within boundaries, and within boundaries one proceeds to the boundless. So the love is blind, but it is intelligent. It's not unintelligent blindness, it's very, very intelligent, because it's the love of the cosmic intelligence, the love of the unbounded intelligence. So whereas love is blind, it is intelligent. Blind for its march ahead. Intelligent enough not to get dissuaded here and there and there and there. Proceed on and on and on. It's intelligent. Very intelligent. Wide awake. It's blindness, but not the blindness that results from dullness, but blindness that results from fast march towards the goal. Love is a very, very gentle yet very, very strong, most powerful force of life. It is life. Love is life.